Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be coloring my hair pink. I'm honestly kind of bored with my hair and I've been wanting to do something. So I figured a little pink hair dye wouldn't kill anyone. I picked up this Loreal Colorista semi-permanent hair color in the shade #soft-pink300. And then I had a little mixing bowl at home, so I'm just going to mix it in there. It comes with a little like brush to brush it on your hair, but I honestly don't think it's going to work that well. And then it came with these like big floppy gloves. So I'm going to personally like mix this in with a little bit of conditioner just because I don't want the color like super harsh. But yeah, I'm just going to basically take this and mix it in this bowl. Okay, so I basically dumped this whole hair dye in this little container. And I literally took the cap off because it was such a pain to like squirt it out of just that little thing. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the conditioner and put that in there. Okay, I'm going to do like that much conditioner with the hair dye. And I'm just going to take this, kind of mix that in together. Next thing that I'm going to do is just going to section my hair so that I can dye the bottom part of my hair. And I just threw on a black t-shirt because I don't care if it gets hair dye on it. It is what it is. My hair also I freshly washed today. So yes, it's nice and clean. So I'm going to be... The only thing that like kind of sucks is my hair is like really kind of like a balayage blonde at this point. So that's gonna be fun. I'm kind of nervous about this. Oh god. There is no going back now. Oh, that's why you should probably put a glove on the second hand. I'm so smart. So at this point, I think what I'm going to do is go into the bathroom and kind of like brush it out, and then I'm going to set a timer for 30 minutes. I just want to brush it out and make sure I got hair dye everywhere and it's evenly distributed because I don't want like patches of not colored hair. So I will update you guys right before I'm going to wash it all out. This is my hair. I blow dried it and I curled that obviously. I am obsessed, to say the least. I kind of like love it. I'm mad I didn't do this sooner. I think it's so pretty. I left this in for about a half an hour and then I washed it out. I'm glad I put the conditioner in it because I feel like it would have been a little bit too bright for my liking if I didn't, and I think it toned the color down. But yeah, I am literally obsessed. So I think I want to like film people's reactions to my hair. I like kind of told my mom that I was coloring it pink, and we're gonna FaceTime her and see what she says about it. Pretty much wherever it was like blonde, it kind of took the color.
Right, yeah, that's what it looks like.
But it looks good.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna go downstairs to show my Grammy. She might freak, but let's see her reaction. I'm a little nervous. What do you think of my hair?
What did you do?
I dyed it pink.
By yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
By myself in the bathroom.
Did you make a mess in the bathroom?
No, but does it look good?
New benefits that Medicare Advantage plans may include. To get the benefits you
No,
deserve,
I don't like
you
it.
can call Medicare coverage.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely try this out. It was literally $10 and I got this soft pink color. I'm glad I didn't get the bright pink color. So yeah, let me leave comments down below for other videos that you want me to post, and I will talk to you guys later.